Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT Fit course of 2024. So this is class 7 and in this class we are going to deal with unit digit concept and this is part 3 of unit digit. In this class we are going to discuss about unit digit concept of factorials and unit digit concept of power to the power questions. ठीक है, ये दोनों concepts discuss करेंगे. So first let's deal with factorial. Factorial. So let's understand what is factorial. So first let's see how we represent factorial as. So factorial is represented as like this or like this. This is the symbol of factorial. So if we say n factorial, we will write it n factorial or n factorial. Say like 1 factorial, we will write as 1 factorial or we can write it as 1 factorial. Similarly 3 factorial, okay, we can write it as 3 factorial like this. So what does factorial means? So let's understand. See, the formula of factorial is, say n factorial hai, so that is nothing but n into, okay, n into, n is a number, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into so on till 1. Okay, so till 1. So let's say 5 factorial hai. So 5 factorial, we write it as 5 starting with number 5 n say, then 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1, that would be 4. Then 5 minus 2. Then 5 minus 3 into 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 has to be the last one, right? So it would be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. ठीक है, that is 5 factorial. अब उसको multiply किया, so 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120. So 5 factorial is nothing but 120. So we use this formula to write factorial of any number. So number का factorial होता है. So let's see factorial of 1 factorial. ठीक है, 1 factorial is what? 1. ठीक है, 1 minus 1 0 आएगा. So last number we have to get is 1. So 1 factorial is 1. ठीक है, 1 is the answer. ठीक है, then 2 factorial is 2 into 2 minus 1. ठीक है, n into n minus 1. So n minus 2 minus 1 1 आ गया. So that is a last digit. So that is 2 into 1. So that is 2. So 2 is the answer of 2 factorial. Then 3 factorial, that is 3 into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So उधर से आ गया. So 3 into 2 into 1. So that is 6. ठीक है, then 4 factorial is 4 into 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 has to be the last thing. So that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. So 24 is the answer for 4 factorial. Then 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. ठीक है, so that is 24 into 5. यही हो गया ना. So 24 5s are 120. So 120 is the answer for 5 factorial. Then say 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120 into 6. So इसका 120 है. ठीक है, so we need to do 120 into 6. So 120 multiplied by 6 is 6 zeros are 0, 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 7. So 720 is the answer for 6 factorial. So now let's see 7 factorial का क्या है. So 7 factorial is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is 720 into 7. Literally 720 into 7. So because this one is 720, we got it into 7. So 720 multiplied by 7 we got is what we get. So if we multiply we get 5040. So now we are dealing with factorial and we are dealing with unit digit. So we want unit digit of factorials. So if we see, so 1 factorial ka unit digit is 1, 2 factorial का unit digit is 2, 3 factorial's unit digit is 3, and 4 factorial's unit digit is, this one is unit digit, so the 4 factorial unit digit is 4, and 5 factorial unit digit is 0, 6 factorial unit digit is 0, and 7 factorial unit digit is 0. So from this, and 8 factorial also if we take, that is nothing but 8 into 5040. So since unit digit में 0 है, we already know, so multiply 0 multiply anything, so unit digit will be 0. ठीक है. So one thing we can say is कि after 4 factorial, unit digit of any factorial will be 0. That is the observation. So make a note and write it. So make a note, it is very important point. By using this simple point, we will be solving many questions. So unit digit of a number of unit digit of भी जरूरत नहीं, unit digit after 4 factorial is 0. So unit digit after 4 factorial is 0. So ये unit digit है, ठीक है. unit digit after 4 factorial is 0. So unit digit of every number after 4 factorial is 0 only. So this is the important note we need to remember, and we have seen this through example. ठीक है. So now let's see the questions, and क्वेश्चन से और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा चीजें, n फैक्टोरियल का यूनिट डिजिट वगैरह कैसे निकालना है. So let's understand the questions. So this is find the unit digit of 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial so on till 3333 factorial, and options are given. So unit digit we need to find out. So 1 factorial, we know 1 factorial is 1. So look at here. So 1 factorial is 1. Then 2 factorial is, so 1 factorial we got 1. 2 factorial is what? 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Okay, that is 2. So 2 factorial we got 2, plus 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So that is 6. So 3 factorial is 6. Then 4 factorial is what? So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So either 6 hai, 6 into 4, that is 24. So 4 factorial is 24. We can write it as. Then 5 factorial is 24 into 5. 24 into 5 we have already seen. So 5 4s are 20 and 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 5 factorial is 120. Okay. Plus 6 factorial. So 6 factorial is 120 into 6. Okay. 6 factorial is 120 into 6. So that is 720. So 720 plus so on till 3333 factorial. अभी देखो concept कैसे use हो रहा है. We know we have to find out unit digit, and while doing addition unit digit कैसे find करते हैं. So we need to add unit digits of all the digits. ठीक है. So that's what we discussed in the first class of unit digit. So now we need to add all these unit digits. ठीक है. So इसका unit digit ये है. So now we know कि by 4 factorial के बाद, see, notice unit digit after 4 factorial is 0. So after 4 factorial, see, after 4 factorial, 5 factorial का unit digit is 0, plus 6 factorial का unit digit is 0, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 100 factorial, कोई भी 0 0 0 होता रहेगा. And after 0 है, so that 3300 का भी 0 हो जाएगा unit digit. So we need to add unit digits of these. So unit digits is 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4. 4 is the unit digit of 4 factorial. 4 बाकी सबका 0 है, plus 0 0 0 so on. So if we add it, then we get, so 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 आ गया. So unit digit is 13 का last digit. So that is 3 is the unit digit. So very easy. So let's move to next question. ठीक है. So another thing is unit digit of expression 120 factorial, 440 factorial, 200 factorial, 95 factorial. So we know after 4 factorial, 4 factorial के बाद कितने भी, जैसे 5 factorial, 6 factorial, 120 factorial. So unit digit of 5 factorial, 6 factorial, etc. would be 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So unit digit of the entire expression is going to be 0 only. So option A is the correct answer. Now imagine अगर ये same expression है, then I have added of 4 factorial. ठीक है, 4 factorial भी ऐड किया. So इन सब का तो 0 0 0 आएगा, but 4 factorial का क्या आएगा? 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is 24. 4 factorial is 24. So अब 0 0 0 प्लस 24 भी आएगा. So 24 है तो यूनिट डिजिट इधर इनका आएगा 4 आएगा. So since अब 4 फैक्टोरियल नहीं है तो वो 0 हो जाएगा. 4 फैक्टोरियल ऐड किया. So since here all the expressions are ऐसा, तो that's how we need to do. So 4 फैक्टोरियल नहीं हटाया तो इधर 0 0 0 0 0 0 would be the answer. So got it. So now let's move to next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन अब देखो, लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन. सो 1 फैक्टोरियल स्क्वेयर, 2 फैक्टोरियल स्क्वेयर, 3 फैक्टोरियल स्क्वेयर, 4 फैक्टोरियल स्क्वेयर, 10 फैक्टोरियल स्क्वेयर. सो नाउ वी नीड टू नो भाई 1 फैक्टोरियल कितना है. सो 1 फैक्टोरियल वी नो इज 1. ठीक है, दैट इज 1 स्क्वेयर प्लस 2 फैक्टोरियल वी नो 2 into 1 that is 2. So 2 factorial is 2 square. Then 3 factorial is nothing but what? 3 into 2. So 3 factorial is 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So 3 factorial is 6. 6 square plus 4 factorial is 24. Right? 4 factorial is 24. So that is 24 square. Yeah. Unit digit, to find out unit digit we will take last digit only. So that would be 24 square. Right? So 24 square. ठीक है, then plus 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is what? 5 factorial we know 5 factorial is 120. ठीक है, 120 स्क्वायर आ गया. अब हमें पता है भाई इसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा. आफ्टर 4 फैक्टोरियल यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ एवरीथिंग वुड बी 0. सो ये 0 हो गया. 5 फैक्टोरियल, 6 फैक्टोरियल का भी 0 आएगा. ठीक है, 7 फैक्टोरियल, 10 फैक्टोरियल सो ऑन का भी 0 आएगा. सो वी जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड आउट यूनिट डिजिट्स टिल 4 फैक्टोरियल स्क्वेयर का, बिकॉज अब 120 अब सारे नंबर्स में 0 लास्ट में आएगा एंड 0 if is unit digit, so unit digit of that number would be 0. ठीक है, in last class we discussed right 0 1 5 6. ठीक है, यूनिट डिजिट ये आएगा तो उनका यूनिट डिजिट भी सेम 0 होगा, 1 होगा, 5 होगा एंड 6 होगा. एंड फॉर पीछे आगे भी देखा आफ्टर 4 फैक्टोरियल यूनिट डिजिट वुड बी 0. सो सबका 0 आएगा. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट यूनिट डिजिट्स ऑफ दिस नंबर. सो 1 स्क्वेयर इज 1 प्लस 2 स्क्वेयर इज 4 प्लस 6 स्क्वेयर इज 36 प्लस 24 या 4 स्क्वेयर. ठीक है, वी विल टेक 4 स्क्वेयर ओनली. यूनिट डिजिट का स्क्वेयर किया तो वो यूनिट डिजिट है. तो 4 स्क्वेयर इज 16. ठीक है, 4 स्क्वेयर, वाई वी आर टेकिंग 4 स्क्वेयर, बिकॉज वी टेक यूनिट डिजिट ओनली. जैसे 24 स्क्वेयर भी किया. ठीक है, that 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. ठीक है, then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 6 9 8 17, 5 76. So unit digit is 6. अगर 4 into 4 भी कर लो so that is 16. So unit digit is 6. So इधर 6 unit digit आएगा. So 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. So you will add unit digit. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 17 है तो unit digit is 7 in this expression. So answer is C. Got it? So you just need to know factorials का basics. Then we can easily solve the question. So let's move to next question. Next question C. Find the unit digit of expression. ये इन सब का दिया हुआ unit digit of the expression. अब now if we see the expression seems very big and most students get scared. ठीक है, most students get scared, but we know the tricks, so it is again very easy. So one point here we need to remember is as a note, because there is logic for it, but वो थोड़ा समझाता हूँ मैं आपको बताता हूँ. पहले note this fact. Note this fact. So note that is when power is more than 4 factorial, then power will be taken as 4 factorial only. ठीक है, if power, when power is more than 4 factorial, then power will be taken as 4 factorial. So now see, power is more than 4 factorial, so factorial में power is in factorials and it is more than 4 factorial because it is 2222 factorial, then we will simply take it as 4 factorial. ठीक है, because we are dealing with unit digit and after 4 factorial we know the इसका फैक्टोरियल लास्ट में 0 आएगा. ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी विल टेक it as 4 factorial. Similarly, it is also more than 4 factorial. Power is more than 4 factorial. Then we take power as 4 factorial. So here also more than. So here also we will take 4 factorial. So this expression will become. So this expression will become 2 to the power 4 factorial plus 4 to the power 4 factorial plus 8 to the power 4 factorial plus 9 to the power 4 factorial. See that this simple fact you need to remember. Okay. Okay. So then now let's see by अब 2 to the power 4 factorial. So 4 to the power 4 factorial. We need to find out unit digit. So we will take unit digit only. Unit digit. So 2 to the power 4 factorial is what? 4 factorial is, we know 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is 24. Okay. So 2 to the power 24 plus 4 to the power unit digit ले रहा है 4 to the power 24 plus 8 to the power 24 plus 9 to the power 24. So now we know how to find unit digit of these expressions. So सबका unit digit separately find करते हैं. So 2 to the power 24 का unit digit is, so then we need to divide power by 4. ठीक है, 24 divided by 4. ठीक है, so 4 6 are 24. So remainder is 0. So when remainder is 0, last class we discussed these things, right? So when remainder is 0, then unit digit would be n to the power 4. So n is unit digit here. So that is 2 to the power 4. ठीक है, plus then again 4 to the power 24. So 24 when divided we get remainder as 0. So that would be 4 to the power 4 plus similarly 24 when divided by 4 remainder is 0. So here also it would be 8 to the power 4 plus 24 when divided, so 9 to the power 4. Okay. So we can say here that is 2 to the power 4 is 16 plus 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4 is what? 256 plus 8 to the power 4 is 4096 plus 9 to the power 4 is also something. Yeah, इनको कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकता है? So rather than multiplying this, or you can solve also like this, 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. So 8 to the power 4 is 8 into 8 into 8. So we know 8 8s are 64. So then we know how to calculate multiplication में first class में देखा. So 4 into 8. ठीक है, 4 into 8, so that is 32. Then again we take unit digit of this and multiply with it. So that is 2 into 8 is equal to 16. So 6 would be the unit digit of expression. So इधर हमें unit digit सीधा आ जाएगा. So similarly 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 का 9 to the power 4 का. So 9 9s are 81. ठीक है, then 1 into 9 is equal to 9. ठीक है, 1 into 9 unit digit का लेके multiply करना है. Then 9 into 9. So 9 into 9 is 81. So 1 is the unit digit. So 1 is the unit digit of this expression. So 166. So ये आ गया, इन सबको ऐड करना है. 1 plus 6 is, so sorry, 6 plus 6 is 12, 18, 18 plus 1 is 19. So 19 आ गया उसका. So 9 is the unit digit of this entire expression. ठीक है, so 9 is the answer, option D. So और सिंपली देखो 4 to the power 4 factorial से ज़्यादा है, so simply we will take 4 factorial and 24. So 24 का we know कि भाई power आएगा, so सीधा इधर भी आ सकता है. When the power is more than 4 factorial, we can just take unit digit का power 4. Unit digit का power 4. Unit digit power 4. Unit digit power 4. ठीक है, So that's how we can step all these steps. So simply नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ऐसा करेंगे, आपको आइडिया मिल जाएगा. सो देखो, that is unit digit of the expression 62 to the power 6 factorial. So 62 to the power 63 factorial. 63 factorial. Now we know 63 factorial is greater than 4 factorial. Then 63 factorial would become, ठीक है, then 63 factorial would become 4 factorial. ठीक है, so this expression would be 62 to the power 4 factorial. And then we know 4 factorial is 24. So 62 to the power 24. अब unit digit है, so unit digit is how to calculate? So 24 divided by power divided by 4. So 24 divided by 4, ठीक है, that would be 6 are 24, remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, ठीक है, unit digit would be n to the power 4. So n here is unit digit of the expression, that is 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 hai, so that is 16. So 6 would be the unit digit. So B, option 6 is the unit digit of this entire expression. ठीक है. So अगर वो फिर शॉर्टकट में क्या है, if it comes in exam, what I would do is I would just solve it like this. So this 62 to the power 63 factorial. I know कि by 4 factorial है, and when 4 factorial is there, I just will write 2 to the power 4. ठीक है, because क्योंकि 24 आएगा, 24 किया तो रिमाइंडर भी पता है 0 आएगा, एंड 0 आते ही n to the power 4. So I will just simply write जो यूनिट डिजिट का to the power 4. So that would be 16. ठीक है, जैसे मान ले एग्जाम्पल और ले लो, क्वेश्चन इज 73 to the power 6 factorial. ठीक है, अब 6 factorial is more than 4 factorial, so it would become 4 factorial 24. So I will directly take 3 and write 3 to the power 4. ठीक है, because लास्ट में इधर ही पहुंचना है, बिकॉज क्योंकि ये हो जाएगा 73 टू दी पावर 24 4 फैक्टोरियल, या दैट इज 24. सो 24 को डिवाइड किया तो रिमाइंडर इज 0, एंड रिमाइंडर 0 है तो n टू दी पावर 4 आएगा. सो 3 टू दी पावर 4 इज व्हाट, 3 टू दी पावर 4 इज 81, एंड 1 विल बी द यूनिट डिजिट. सो विथ प्रैक्टिस वी कैन डायरेक्टली स्किप टू द पॉइंट. सो लेट्स सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन, यू विल गेट मोर क्लैरिटी. अब देखो ये 973 टू द पावर 243 फैक्टोरियल. सो 243 इज मोर देन, सो 973 टू द पावर 243 फैक्टोरियल इनटू ए मल्टीप्लिकेशन है 234 टू द पावर 973 फैक्टोरियल. ठीक है, 234 टू द पावर 973 फैक्टोरियल. नाउ दिस इज मोर देन 4. सो नाउ आई नो व्हेन इट इज more than 4, I will directly write it as 3 to the power 4 into here 4 more than 4 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is 81 into 4 to the power 4 is 256. So 1 into 6 would be the unit digit. So 1 into 6 is 6. So 6 is the unit digit. अब पूरा करना है तो करो, पूरा करना है तो पूरा करना is what, 973 to the power 4 factorial. So 243 factorial becomes 4 factorial. Then 234 to the power 4 factorial. So unit digit into, so 3 to the power 24 हो जाएगा, 4 factorial is 24 into 4 to the power 24 हो जाएगा. Now find 24 का वो, so 24 divided by 4 is 6 are 24. So remainder is 0. So remainder 0 है, ठीक है. So n to the power 4 would be the answer. So 3 to the power 4 into, similarly इधर भी 4 to the power 4. So calculate करें तो 81 into 256. So 1 into 6. So 6 would be the unit digit. So instead of skipping, so with practice we know the 4 to the power 4 factorial का आ जाएगा तो unit digit to the power 4 आएगा. So सीधा इधर आ गया. ठीक है. So then let's move to next question. ठीक है. So this is question asked in UPSC CDS paper. ठीक है, UPSC CDS paper. So let's check this question. So question is, if the unit digit of expression 433 इंटू, ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन का सिंबल है, 433 इंटू 456 इंटू 43 n इज n प्लस 2, देन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ n। ठीक है, सो देखो ये मल्टीप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में है एक्सप्रेशन, सो यूनिट डिजिट दिया हुआ है, सो यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ 433 इंटू 456 इंटू 43 n इज इक्वल टू यूनिट डिजिट का आ गया n प्लस 2। ठीक है, अब देखो यूनिट डिजिट हाउ डू वी फाइंड आउट, सो दैट इज 3 इंटू 6, 3 into 6 is 18। ठीक है, सो हियर देन अगेन यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ दिस एक्सप्रेशन 8 into n, सो 8 into n। ठीक है, सो 8 into n इज इक्वल टू 8 into n इज इक्वल टू n प्लस 2, ये यूनिट डिजिट n प्लस 2 दिया हुआ। ठीक है, सो अब ऐसा कर सकता है, सो इफ अगर सॉल्व करना है तो ये थोड़ा मुश्किल पड़ जाएगा एंड वी वोंट गेट, सो रेदर विल जस्ट डू ऑप्शन वेरिफिकेशन। ठीक है, ऑप्शन वेरिफिकेशन करो, option verification. So by option verification what we get, so we need to get, so if we take, we need to find, here given is value of n, so if we take n as 1, so if we take n as 1, so here 8 into 1 किया। ठीक है, सो 8 into 1 is 8 आ गया यूनिट डिजिट, सो अगर इधर, so 8 into n ये भी इक्वल होना चाहिए, राइट, सो इफ वी टेक n as 1, so we took n as 1 here, so then that is 1 plus 2, that is 3, so we know 8 is not equal to 3। ठीक है, यूनिट डिजिट इस एक्सप्रेशन में इक्वल नहीं हो रहा है, सो ऑप्शन 1 इज इनकरेक्ट। देन सिमिलरली टेक n as 3। ठीक है, अब देखो n as 3 ले लो। ठीक है, हियर टेक n as 3, सो देन इट वुड बी, ये तो सेम रहेगा 18, सो देन 8 into n to the n प्लेस में 3 ले लो, सो लेट्स अरेंज दिस एंड टेक n प्लेस में 3, so that is 8 into 3 is 24, so 4 is the unit digit here। ठीक है, 4 we are getting as unit digit। now let's keep n is equal to 3 here also, so that is 3 plus 2, that is 5, so here we are getting 5 as unit digit, so 4 is not equal to 5, unit digit same नहीं आ रहा है, so option B is also incorrect option। so then let's take option C, n is equal to 8। ठीक है, so n is equal to 8 लेते हैं, so when we take n is equal to 8, so it would be 8 into 8, so 8 into 8, so that is 64, so 4 is the unit digit this side। then here if we take n is equal to 8, so that is 8 plus 2, that is 10, so 0 is the unit digit here, so 4 is not equal to 0, unit digits we are not getting equal, so option C is also incorrect option। then let's take option D बचा है, वो correct होगा, let's check that। so take n is equal to 6, n is equal to 6, so 8 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, so here 8 is the unit digit we are getting। now let's keep 6 in n plus 2 also, so 6 plus 2, that is 8, so 8 is the unit digit we are getting, so here 8 is the unit digit for this side expression and here also we are getting 8, so n is equal to 3 holds the correct thing। when n is equal to 3, then n plus 2 is the unit digit, that is 8 is the unit digit, so D ये होता। so let's check 433 into 456 into 436। ठीक है, so आएगा, so 6 लिया है तो 6 plus 2 is 8, so unit digit 8 आना चाहिए, that is 3 into 6 is 18। ठीक है, 8 है, then 8 into 6, that is 48, so unit digit is 8 here, so we are getting 8। ठीक है, so option D is the answer। again good question। ठीक है, UPSC CSAT में भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती है। ठीक है, because it is conceptual question। then let's do next question। so again this is also asked in UPSC CDS paper में। ठीक है, so let's check this question। if the unit digit of units digit of 333 to the power n is 7, then what is the unit digits of 777 to the power n? so here we need to find n ka value, we need to find out, then we can put n value here and then we can get the value। so let's check, so 3333 to the power 1, so unit digit 7 है। ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स चेक. सो अब हमें पता है पूरा एक्सप्रेशन में, सो वी नीड टू नो 3 टू द पावर n में यूनिट डिजिट 7 कब आता है. 3 टू द पावर n में यूनिट डिजिट 7 कब आता है, विच नंबर. सो लेट्स टेक 3 टू द पावर 1, ठीक है, दैट इज 3. सो यूनिट डिजिट इज नॉट 7, ठीक है, यूनिट डिजिट 7 आना चाहिए ना हमें. सो 3 टू द पावर 2 दैट इज 9, यूनिट डिजिट इज नॉट 7, हियर यूनिट डिजिट इज 9. देन 3 टू द पावर 3 इज 9 into 7, 9 into 3 that is 27. So here unit digit is 7. ठीक है. Similarly 3 to the power 4 लिया, so that is 81. So unit digit here is 1. So this is not. So when n is equal to 3, so 3 to the power 1, when n is equal to 3 we get unit digit as 7. ठीक है. So अब 3 3 जैसे लेते देखो 3 3 3 3 to the power n इज इक्वल टू 3 आ गया. सो इन टू द पावर 3 ले लो. देन यूनिट डिजिट चेक करते. सो दैट इज 3 इंटू 3 3, ठीक है, इंटू, ठीक है, यही होगा ना, इंटू 3 3 3 3 इंटू 3 3 3 3. सो अब फॉर यूनिट डिजिट व्हाट वी डू. सो दैट इज 3 इंटू 3 इज 9, देन 9 इंटू 3, ठीक है. सो हियर this is 9 into 3. So 9 into 3 is 27. So unit digit is 27. So when n is equal to 3 we get unit digit as 7. ठीक है. So n का वैल्यू आ गया. Now let's put n in this expression, that is 7777 to the power 3. इसका unit digit क्या है. So this is what we need. We need 7 to the power 3 का. ठीक है. लास्ट एक्सप्रेशन या तो एंटायर एक्सप्रेशन का ही कर लो. 777 इंटू 777 7 into 7 7 7 7, ठीक है. सो 7 7 जार 7 into 7 is 49, ठीक है. देन 9 into 7, 7 9 जार 63. सो 3 is the unit digit of this expression. 3 is the unit digit. So B, 3 is the unit digit. ठीक है. So option is B, 3 is the, what is unit digit of 777 to the power 7. So 3 is the unit digit. So unit digit find out कर लिया. ठीक है. अगेन ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है यूपीएससी में बिकॉज कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन है ये. देन लेट्स सी. दिस इज अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन यूपीएससी ईपीएफओ 2023. ठीक है. few of you might have given this exam also. So this is like this year का, ठीक है, 2023 का पेपर है. ठीक है. ईपीएफओ का. सो व्हाट इज डिजिट इन द यूनिट्स प्लेस ऑफ 2 2 to the power 100. सो हियर वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वन कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है. सो थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट डिस्कस करते हैं पहले, देन वी विल डिस्कस द मेन थिंग. सो द कॉन्सेप्ट हियर इज, concept here is, see, we need to understand that a to the power b to the power c, ठीक है, is different from a to the power b bracket to the power c. ठीक है. अब कैसे डिफरेंट है, बिकॉज ये सर्ट्स में भी वी विल डील विथ इट. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कैसे. सो दिस एक्सप्रेशन वुड बी a to the power b into c. ठीक है. so this is the expression, that is, so in surds we study that a to the power, ठीक है, m to the power n in brackets is equal to a to the power m into n. so this is the formula. so by using this we are writing it. ठीक है. a to the power, but this one is what, this one is a to the power b to the power c. so that is b has power. so this is b into b into b into so on into b, or how many times, c times, c times. so these both are different. ठीक है. these both are not same, these both are not equal. ठीक है. ये this one is different from this one. so now let's understand it with example. आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. so let's take an example of 2 to the power 3 to the power 4. ठीक है. ठीक है. देन 2 to the power 3 to the power 4 in brackets. ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी. अब ये दोनों डिफरेंट है, सो लेट्स सी हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट. सो सेम फॉर्मूला, सेम आई एम यूजिंग. सो 2 to the power 3 to the power 4, ठीक है. सो दिस वी विल राइट इट एज 2 to the power 3 into 4, 2 to the power 3 into 4, so that is 2 to the power 12. However, this one is 2 to the power 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is what? 3 to the power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. ठीक है. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. ठीक है. So that would be 2 to the power 81. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. ठीक है. 2 to the power 3 into 4 is 2 to the power 4. So now we need to get unit place of this one. So now how to get units place of this one? ठीक है. So when we are given, so we know how 2 to the power 81 का 2 to the power 12 का कैसे लाना है. So we will divide 81 by 4. So that is 4 20s are 80. So remainder is 1. So when remainder is 1, so what would be the answer? So n to the power 1 would be the unit digit, that is 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is 2. So 2 is the unit digit of this expression. ठीक है. 2 is unit digit of this expression. Now let's see. So 2 to the power 12. So 12 by 4. So 12 by 4, 4 3s are 12. So 0. ठीक है. Then remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, ठीक है, n to the power 4 would be the answer. ठीक है, would be the unit digit. So n to the power 4, so it is 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 6 would be the unit digit. 6 would be the unit digit of this expression. So with that knowledge, so अब ये दोनों सेम नहीं है. So here we are getting what? So 2 to the power 2 to the power 100. So it is same as 2 3 to the power 4, same as 2 to the power 2 to the power 100. ठीक है. सो इस तरीके से लिखना है. अब उसको देखो और क्या है, कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स चेक दैट. ठीक है. सो प्लीज नोट डाउन एवरीथिंग. ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल्सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है. नोट डाउन, देन वी विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चन इज 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 to the power 100. So this can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 so on into 2 कितने टाइम्स? 100 टाइम्स, 100 टाइम्स तक. ठीक है. सो दैट इज 2 to the power 2. So now we need to get this एक्सप्रेशन का वैल्यू. सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, वी डोंट नो कि बाई 2 को 100 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कितना आएगा. सो नाउ वी विल डिवाइड दिस एंटायर एक्सप्रेशन बाय 4. ठीक है. सो हम क्या करते हैं, वी विल डिवाइड दिस एंटायर एक्सप्रेशन. सो नॉर्मल में क्या करते हैं, जैसे 2 to the power 200 का पता करना है. ठीक है. सो देन वी विल डिवाइड 200 बाई 4. ठीक है. फिर रिमाइंडर आएगा 5 20. ठीक है. देन 0 50. सो रिमाइंडर 0. सो रिमाइंडर 0 is means n to the power 4. ऐसा करते हैं. So but here it is not 2 into 200. So it is 2 100 times. So here also we will divide this expression by 4, this entire expression. Now let's see. Remainder लाना है. Remainder लाना is our motive. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into so on into 2 till 100 times, 100 times, 100 times divided by 4, divided by 4. So उससे क्या, अब रिमाइंडर. So while dealing with remainder topic we will also study how to calculate remainder. So now let's stay. So 2 into 2 is 4. ठीक है. 4 divided by 4 है तो रिमाइंडर आएगा. ठीक है. Take 2 into 2. ठीक है. And divide it by 4. So this expression can be nothing, this can be written as 2 into 2 by 4 into 2 into 2 by 4 into 2 into 2 by 4 into so on. ठीक है. by 2 into 2 by 4. ठीक है. इसको जैसे 100 times 2 आएगा. So now 4 by 4. So remainder is 0. 4 divided by 4 remainder is 0. 4 divided by 4 remainder is 0. So on 4 divided by 4 remainder is 0. So अब इस एक्सप्रेशन का आ गया हमें रिमाइंडर 0. सो वी नो व्हेन रिमाइंडर इज 0 देन यूनिट डिजिट इज व्हाट? यूनिट डिजिट इज n to the power 4. So that is 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 is what? So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So unit digit of this is 6. ठीक है. So unit digit of this is 6. ठीक है. So by here also in remainder topic we will extensively cover कि भाई रिमाइंडर कैसे लाना है फॉर बिग एक्सप्रेशंस. ठीक है. सो नाउ वी विल जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. हमें रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया. सो व्हेन रिमाइंडर इज 0 फॉर ऑल द एक्सप्रेशंस, सो ओवरऑल रिमाइंडर वुड बी 0. सो ओवरऑल रिमाइंडर 0 है. वी नो यूनिट डिजिट कैलकुलेट करने का फॉर्मूला दैट इज n to the power 4. ठीक है. जैसे रिमाइंडर 1 आया n to the power 1. सो रिमाइंडर 2 आया तो n to the power 2. रिमाइंडर 0 आया तो n to the power 4 वुड बी द यूनिट डिजिट कैलकुलेशन थिंग. ठीक है. सो दैट इज वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. सो इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी में आ सकता है बिकॉज पीपुल विल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. इसको 2 into 100 में लिख के 200 करके आएंगे, बट हियर इस क्वेश्चन में 200 भी सेम आंसर आएगा बट डिफरेंट दिया है तो वो अलग आ जाएगा. ठीक है. सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यही सेम मॉडल सी. ठीक है. ये क्या है? a to the power b to the power c. सो पावर टू द पावर क्वेश्चन है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज 30 to the power 30 to the power 32. So this is what? 32 to the power 32 into 32 into 32 into so on into 32 till 32 times. 32 times तक 32 32 32 लिखना. ठीक है. That is, so we know how to calculate. So इसको 4 से डिवाइड करना है. So let's divide 32 by 32 into 32 into so on into 32 divided by 4. ठीक है. सो 4 32 से किया तो रिमाइंडर कितना आएगा? 4 8s are 32. सो रिमाइंडर इज 0. ठीक है. हियर ऑल्सो रिमाइंडर 0. ठीक है. 0 into 0. सो रिमाइंडर 0. सो वाइल डूइंग रिमाइंडर टॉपिक you will get more clarity. अभी भी so 4 I am dividing 4 by with 32. So remainder 0. So this entire expression का remainder is 0. And when we know remainder 0 होता है, ठीक है, इसका remainder 0 होता है पूरा ऊपर वाले expression का, then n to the power 4 would be the unit digit. So that is n here is your unit place में. So 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 6 is the unit digit here. ठीक है. So that easy. So that's how we need to calculate. अगर मान ले ये इस एक्सप्रेशन इसकी जगह 32 to the power 32 to the power 32 होता, फिर क्या होता? that is 32 to the power 32 into 32. So 32 into 32 would be different. That is 32 into 32. So 2 2s are 4 6, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So 4 12 10 1024. that is 30 to the power 1024 होता. So now उसका कैलकुलेट करना कैसे? So 1024 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8 2 2. So 4 5s are 20. ठीक है. 2 4. So 4 6 are 24. So here also remainder 0 आ रहा है. So remainder 0 means n to the power 4. ठीक है. that is 2 to the power 4. So here n है. So 2 है. So 2 to the power 4 16. आंसर तो सेम आ रहा है बट दैट्स द प्रोसीजर. हो सकता है किसी और नंबर को कुछ और यूनिट डिजिट आ जाए. ठीक है. सो दैट्स हाउ डिफरेंट दीज टू आर. ठीक है. दे टू आर डिफरेंट. सो यू नीड टू बी अवेयर ऑफ दिस. ठीक है. सो देन लेट्स सॉल्व अनदर क्वेश्चन. दैट इज 30 लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ 32 to the power 33 to the power 34. So that is 32 to the power 33 into 33 into 33 into 33 into so on into 33 34 times. 34 times. ठीक है. ठीक है. So now divide this by 4. So when you divide it by 4, what we get is, now we get remainder 1. Remainder is 1. ठीक है. जैसे by 4 divided by 33. So that is 8s are 32. So remainder is 1. So here remainder 1. ठीक है. To here remainder 1 into remainder 1. ठीक है. into remainder 1. ठीक है. so on remainder 1 आएगा. So 32 to the power remainder 1 है. So we know when remainder is 1, so unit digit value is what? n to the power 1. So that is n here is unit digit का expression, so 2 to the power 1, so 2 to the power 1 is 2, ठीक है, so 2 is the answer here. So simple thing, ठीक है. So we need to break down the expression and divide it by 4. So let's see one more question. देखो 9 to the power unit digit of 9 to the power 23 into 23 into 23 into so on, ठीक है, into 23 till 32 times 23 को लिखना है. So this expression divided by 4. So 23 when divided by 4, ठीक है, when divided by 4, now here we need to check one thing. So this can be, so 4 5s are 20, ठीक है, 3, so remainder 3 है, ठीक है, here remainder is 3, but what happens when we write remainder 3, ठीक है, so remainder मान ले इसको 4 से डिवाइड कर लिया, so remainder is 3 for this and 3 for this, ठीक है, and 3 for this. So again it would be multiplication of 3 32 times, so that would be 9 to the power 3 to the power 32, ठीक है, that is 9 to the power 3 into 3 into 3 into so on into 3, that is 332 times. बट हमें पता है भाई हमें 3 into 3 into 3 32 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया तो वी डोंट नो द वैल्यू, वी डोंट नो द वैल्यू, सो वी नीड टू मेक श्योर कि रिमाइंडर 2 से ज्यादा ना हो. सो रिमाइंडर हैज टू बी 0, रिमाइंडर हैज टू बी 1, और लेट्स चेक रिमाइंडर कैन बी -1 2, रिमाइंडर कैन बी -1 2. सो चेक करते हैं. अब when we study about the remainder topic, we study about positive remainder and negative remainder. So 23 का remainder, so sorry, 23's remainder can be positive remainder, that is +3, ठीक है, और it can be written as -1, ठीक है, because 24 से -1 कम है, ठीक है, so 24 से, so 4 when divided 23 when divided by 4, one thing is we get remainder 3, ठीक है, remainder 3. another thing is, so 24 से एक कम है, so 24 से, so -1 would be the remainder. So while dealing with remainder topic you will understand. अभी के लिए have some patience, after 4-5 classes we will discuss remainder, so there you will understand this better. So now I will take this as remainder, instead of remainder 1 I will take it remainder -1, remainder 3 I will take remainder -1. So that would be 23 into 23 into 23 into so on 23 till 32 times, so divided by 4, so I will take negative remainder, so that would be -1 is the remainder into -1 into -1 so on till 32 times, so that would be -1 to the power 32, ठीक है. So now we know -1 to the power 32 is 1 only, ठीक है. कैसे देखते हैं वो भी. So -1 to the power 1, so -1 to the power even is equal to 1, -1 to the power odd is equal to -1. These are the things, so you will write it down as note, ठीक है. कैसे अब देखो कैसे. So -1 to the power even है, so 2 ले लो, so that is -1 into -1 into -1, so माइनस माइनस इंटू माइनस करिया तो वो प्लस हो जाएगा, that is 1. Similarly -1 to the power 3, that is odd, so that is -1 into -1 into -1. so ये माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो गया, प्लस हो गया, बट ये माइनस बचा, so that is -1, ठीक है. So here -1 to the power even है, so it would be 1, so entire expression turns out to be इसका सॉरी टू दी पावर इस किया तो 9 to the power 1 आ गया, ठीक है. या वी कैन से एंटायर रिमाइंडर इज 1, ठीक है. सो रिमाइंडर 1 है, n to the power 1 इज द यूनिट डिजिट, सो n इज हियर 9, सो 9 जो यूनिट डिजिट प्लेस में होता है तो उसी को करते हैं. सो n हियर इज 1, so 9 to the power 1 is 9, so 9 is the unit digit, so 9 is the answer here, ठीक है. So that's how we need to calculate. So let's do one more question, so you will get more clarity, ठीक है. So जैसे देखो ये units place of digit of expansion, ठीक है. So by looking at it we are getting कि भाई कितना बड़ा नंबर है, So but we know how to deal with, that is 444 to the power. So 4444 to the power 444 क्या होता है, that is 4444 into 4444 into 4444 into so on into 4444, ठीक है, कितने बार, 4444 टाइम्स, ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज. सो नाउ वी नो दिस को 4 से डिवाइड करना है. सो व्हेन वी डिवाइड दिस वन विथ 4 वी गेट रिमाइंडर एज 0, रिमाइंडर एज 0. तो देखो देखो 4 4 4 4 4 1, सो 4 1 जार 4, ठीक है, नीचे आ गया 4, ठीक है, देन 4 1 जार 4, ठीक है, बेसिकली ये 4 1 1 4 ये 4 4 4 4 आएगा, से रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. सो रिमाइंडर 0 इंटू रिमाइंडर 0 इंटू रिमाइंडर 0 इंटू सो ऑन इंटू रिमाइंडर 0. सो पूरा एक्सप्रेशन का रिमाइंडर, ओवरऑल रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. सो व्हेन रिमाइंडर इज 0, ठीक है, रिमाइंडर 0 है, दैट वुड बी यूनिट डिजिट इज n to the power 4, we know. So n to the power 4, so n is unit digit of the expression, so that is 4. So 4 to the power 4, so 4 to the power 4 है तो 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, so that is 4 4s are 16, 16, 6 into 4 is equal to 24, 24, then 4 into 4, ठीक है, is 16. So 6 is the unit digit of this expression. So 6 is the unit digit of this expression. ठीक है, again this is very important question. This is also asked in some exam. ठीक है, so that's how we need to solve power to the power, power to the power, power. ठीक है, so a to the power, b to the power, c type of questions. ठीक है, so that's it for today's class. So with this we are done with the unit digit concept or unit place concept, ठीक है, और लास्ट डिजिट कॉन्सेप्ट. ठीक है, 3 क्लासेस कंप्लीट डन. एंड इससे इन कॉन्सेप्ट से, द कॉन्सेप्ट्स विच वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, इन कॉन्सेप्ट से बाहर क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, सो व्हाट एवर इज पॉसिबल वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. ठीक है, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज क्लास. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.